Completing an application. You get to an application form by following the process to start a new application, or by clicking Continue on an already started and saved application. The application form will have all the information you have previously entered already, copied into the relevant fields. If some information isn't copied across, it's because the provider needs that information in a different way, and you'll have to re-enter it. The application form is all on one page, and mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk. Sometimes, when you answer a question, a subsequent question will become mandatory and also need to be completed. For example, indicating the applicant will be sponsored may require additional documentation. Where there is an attachment question on the form, you can either upload a document from the form or attach later and select documents you have already uploaded. Sometimes you might be asked to select campus, intakes, or additional course preferences. These are selected from a list that pops up when you click on the blue button. At the bottom of every form, you can save and close, returning to the application list, save and stay on the application form, or move on to the next step. If you are having trouble with your internet connection, we recommend you save regularly, as any information added to the form but not saved before the internet drops out will be lost. Only after completing all the mandatory questions can you move on to the next screen. If you have completed all the mandatory questions, you will see a green tick at the top and bottom of the form, and you will be able to continue by clicking the next button. If there are mandatory questions requiring documents, these will appear on the next screen. Select from the documents you have already uploaded, or upload new documents and then click Save. If the next button is green, you can click it to move on to the next step. Otherwise, click Save and then Next. If the next button is still not green, check you have assigned or uploaded documents for all the required document questions and click Save again. If an application fee is required, you will need to make payment with a credit card or enter a supplied voucher code on the next screen. Check the details, and if you are happy with everything, click Submit. You will see a confirmation page with options to view the activity for the application so you can download a copy of the completed application as a PDF, start another application, or view the prospect page for the applicant, or start an application for a new prospect. The status of the application will change to Submitted until it is received by the provider and appear in your application list.